Very good morning, students. Welcome back to second year physics. In the previous class, actually, we discussed about related to the magnetic induction field strength on the axial line as well as the on the equatorial line is finished. On the basis of that, we also completed related to problems also. Let us. I want to say about a related to the torque or moment of couple. Torque or moment of couple. Let us see what is actually torque or moment of couple. So we know torque or moment of couple is nothing but a the torque is nothing but a we can say turning effect, right? We can call turning effect. So in this turning effect is nothing but a we can say torque is equal to force into perpendicular distance. We can also say like this, force into perpendicular distance. This is about a what we can say torque. See, torque is nothing but it is the force into perpendicular distance. Let us, I want to say the dipole, say magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field. Let us, you take a uniform magnetic field, so we need to find a perpendicular distance. We know force is nothing but a F is equal to mb if there is a magnet is suspended in a uniform magnetic field. See, this is a uniform magnetic field, B it is, right? So there is a magnet which is suspended to be like this. In a, by using a thread, it is suspended freely in a uniform magnetic field. Therefore, due to the uniform magnetic field, and the magnet also produces the magnetic field, no? Because of the two fields, this magnet maybe rotates or it turns. There will be a turning effect is takes place. That you say the magnet is rotated or turned to be like this. You say it is a north and south, right? So that the length of the magnet is we can say 2L. It is a 2L which is to be acting and which turned to be like this. So that there will be a force is acting, F is equal to say mb plus mb, and there will be a force is acting, F is equal to minus mb, because south pole is nothing but a minus m pole strength, north pole is nothing but a capital M pole strength. Now which is to be suspended. Now we need to find a turning effect, right? Therefore the magnet is making an angle theta with the direction of a magnetic field, because it is a field, no? Therefore this magnet is making an angle theta. Then you draw a diagram, another one which is to be like this. It is north, south, this will be 2L length. See, you construct a one rectangle triangle to be like this. See, which making an angle theta, because there is a force is acting like this. So now this is a NS and you say some A it is. So here in this case there will be a perpendicular distances, we can say it is about a, here it is about a, this NA is the perpendicular distance because it is 90, no? Now use this triangle, sin theta is equal to, it is opposite NA we need to find, and here hypotenuse is 2L. So 2L sin theta is equal to we can say NA. This is about a related to the perpendicular distance. Therefore torque is equal to, here it is F is, you take any one, this mb, or you want to take, say that mb also, no problem, mb into it is 2L sin theta. So that the torque is equal to B into small m into 2L sin theta. So small m into 2L is nothing but a we can say capital M, right? Therefore torque is equal to, it is capital MB sin theta. Clear? It is torque is acting on the dipole. Now let us, I'll tell you, when magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field, therefore there will be a resultant force is 0, because look at here, equal and opposite is to be cancelled. There will be a first point is, say the net force acting on the dipole is 0 because equal and opposite is cancelled. So there will be net force is equal to capital F minus capital F will be 0, and come to the point is second point, there will be a net torque is not equal to 0 because there will be a turning effect is there, no? The magnet is turned so that the net will not be 0, but whereas the net force is 0 because F minus F is 0. So like it is about a we can say related to the torque. And come to the point is, if I want to say cases, if theta is equal to 0, that means here, if a magnet is comes to rest along the direction of a field, suppose you say this is the field and the magnet also will come along the direction like this, so that it is, you say, north south. If it is comes to like this, therefore there will be a theta is 0. If theta is 0, therefore torque is equal to, it is mb sin 0, therefore torque is equal to, this is 0. Clear? And come to the point is, you go for the theta is equal to 90, that means here the magnet is comes to rest in the direction of perpendicular like this. See, it is the B and it is a north south, right? You say it is a north south, so that there will be an angle is theta is 90. When theta 90, therefore mb into sin 90, of course it is a maximum. So there will be a maximum torque will act. Maximum torque will act when the magnet is comes to rest in the perpendicular direction. Therefore torque is equal to mb sin 90. mb sin 90 we can say. Clear? Now come to the point is, there will be 180 you take. Of course 180 is nothing but the same, no? Anti-parallel or 180 are same, so it may be torque is 0. So these are the cases related to the torque acting on a uniform magnetic field which is placed in the uniform magnetic field. There will be a torque will be tau is equal to mb sin theta. mb sin theta. Clear? And come to the point is, in this torque, let us we have other cases. We need to find a work done also. See, work done, which is also very very important, and here it is a torque related, no? On the basis of torque, that we need to find a work done. So what is work done? Say suppose if a magnet is suspended in a uniform magnetic field, therefore the magnet is initially it is making an angle theta, right? It is making an angle theta with the direction of a magnetic field. Now the magnet is rotated or the needle is rotated. The needle is rotated from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. There is a work is said to be done. Let us, I'll show you. See, the side heading as you take as work done. Next side heading as see, work done, right? W we need to find, that is work done by the magnet. Suppose let us you take, there is a field which is given uniformly like this. In this uniform magnetic field, the magnet is, the needle is which making an angle theta 1 with the direction of field. You take like this, right? Which is making an angle theta 1. From this theta 1, the magnet is rotated from an angle theta 1 to, it is in a theta 2, which making an angle theta 2 like this. So that needle is rotated, magnetic needle or bar magnet which is suspended in the uniform magnetic field. Therefore this needle rotated from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. There is a work is said to be done. Of course work done is equal to, that is you say W, or you write a small amount of work done, because which is rotated from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. Therefore torque dW is equal to, we can say tau into d theta, because there is a small work is done and which is rotating, no? Turning effect is there, no? For the turning effect we can say work done is equal to torque into d theta. Now we know tau is nothing but a, just now we derived mb sin theta. Now you write here dW is equal to mb into sin theta into d theta. So now it is a small amount of work is said to be done by the magnet is rotated from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. Now we need to find a total work done. You write as total work done, that is integral dW is equal to integral mb into sin theta d theta. So which is from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. Therefore here work done, small amount of work done, when it is integrated then we'll get the total work done W is equal to, you take a common, mb is common, from theta 1 to theta 2 sin theta d theta. Of course we know integration of sin theta, that is we can say cos theta. Then W is equal to mb into minus cos theta from theta 1 to theta 2. So this is what it is actually, integration of a, I mean to say, cos theta, right? So which we can say like this. Let us now you substitute the limits. First you substitute upper limit, then after lower limit, right? So you go with the first upper limit and then after you substitute a lower limit. There will be a, will get the magnetic dipole moment will be, I mean sorry, it is a work done will get mb into minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2, like it is. So the work done is equal to mb into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is about a work done to rotate the magnet from an angle theta 1 to theta 2. So this is about a work done to rotate the magnet from an angle theta 1 to theta 2, therefore in a uniform magnetic field. So in this again we have cases. Suppose I want to say first case like this, if theta 1 is equal to, there are some cases are given. I want to say theta 1 is equal to 0 and theta 2 is equal to, you say theta. So it is a theta 1 is equal to 0 and theta 2 is equal to, you say it is theta. Therefore work done will be mb into, it is cos 0 minus cos theta. Therefore work done is equal to mb into 1 minus cos theta. So this is about a work done. So this is about a work done when it is an angle theta 1 is equal to 0 to theta 2 is equal to theta. Therefore we can say like this. Clear? So it is about a first case related to about these cases, right? And here I want to say other cases also in this only. Let us, I want to say about a potential energy. Of course in our material there are some problems also is there. Sometimes he may give you theta 1 is 0, theta 1 is 90. Suppose there is a second case, I want to say case 2, theta 1 is 90 you take, right? Theta 2 is a 0. Therefore work done is equal to mb cos 90, of course 0 minus cos 0. Therefore work done is equal to mb into cos 90 is 0 minus 1, then it is minus mb, like it is. And you go for the next case. You want to say next case theta 1 is 0, theta 2 is, you say 180. Right? Theta 1 is 0, theta 2 is 180. Therefore work done is equal to mb into cos 0 minus cos 180. Right? Therefore work done is equal to mb into cos 0 is 1 minus 1, cos 180 minus 1 no. Therefore it is minus of minus becomes, so that it is 2 mb. Like see, we have different angles. They will give you angles also. Based on that we should do the problems. Of course this concept is very very important in the next chapter, that is electromagnetic induction. This concept is very very important, so that it is related to what it is work done to rotate the magnet. Now let us, we'll go for the next topic. Right, next one. In this next one is potential energy. We go for the potential energy. Potential energy. Right? That is U. Sir, what is potential energy? Of course, I want to say about a potential energy. See, there will be a work done, we know. You write as work done is mb into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Right, cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. In this case, say initially the magnet is lies perpendicular. Suppose you say there will be a magnet, that is a magnet, we can say this is the B, which making an angle theta 1 is 90 initially. So from this angle the magnet is rotated. See, it is maybe rotated an angle theta like this. See, from an angle you say like this, or else it is making an angle, so like this. This is the magnet, you say theta, it is south north. See, it is rotated from an angle theta 1 90 to theta. So theta 1 is 90, theta 2 is theta. There is a work is said to be done. The work done which is in the form of a potential energy. The work done which is in the form of a potential energy. Therefore, work done is equal to mb into, you write as cos theta 1 is 90 minus cos theta it is. So that work done is equal to mb into cos 90 is 0, it is minus theta, no? Yes, cos theta it is. So work done is equal to minus mb cos theta. So that it is in the form of a potential energy. It is in the form of a potential energy. Therefore, in this, work done is, or potential energy is equal to minus mb sin theta. You can say like this. Clear? I'm sorry to say it is a cos theta, no? Extremely sorry, it is minus mb cos theta. Clear? And here I want to say cases. In this first case, suppose if theta 1 is theta is 0. So when theta is 0, what will happen? See, if theta is 0, we can call as the u is equal to minus mb cos 0. Therefore, cos 0 is, this we can call stable equilibrium. We can call as stable equilibrium, right? When theta is 0. So there is another one is there. If theta 180, if I say, therefore this we can call unstable. Case 2. If theta is 180, if I say, therefore minus mb cos 180. Of course, it is a, we can call unstable. It is unstable. Clear? One is a stable equilibrium, one more is the unstable equilibrium, right? So like this, so we have the questions on the basis of a torque. Clear? And on the basis of this all, so which are related to the potential energy questions, and here potential, on the basis of this we have a examples related to this potential energy and cases, so to be like this. Clear? Now let us, I want to say, on the basis of this, let us, we'll see the problems. Right. See, we'll see the problems. See the page number 246, page number 246, question number 5, page number 246, question number 5. Right, look at the question, page number 246, question number is 5. 246, question number is 5. So look at the question. A bar magnet of length is given 0.1 and here a magnet of magnetic moment length is given, bar magnet length is 0.1 meter, and the magnetic moment is given, capital M is equal to 5 ampere meter square. It's placed in a uniform magnetic field of intensity, capital B is given 0.4 Tesla, with its axis making an angle 60 degree, with its axis making an angle 60 degree. What is the torque? Yes, he's asking torque. And of course, this question was given in the 2014, year of 2014 in March. So we know torque is nothing but it is capital MB sin theta. This is the formula. Here B there, capital M is there, and is asking sin theta directly, right? So that, it is torque is asking. So torque is equal to capital M is 5, B is 0.4, sine it is 60. Of course, sine 60 is nothing but a root 3 by 4. Sorry, root 3 by 2. 2 ones 0.2. It is maybe 1 root 3. So torque is equal to root 3 Newton meter. Like this. Okay, or we want to say torque is nothing but a 1.732 Newton meter, because root 3 value is 1.732. Exactly it is, right? So this question given in the page number 246. Clear? Question number 5. This question was given in the year of 2014 March. Right. Yeah, there is another question is there which related to the same based on this 234 page number. Please open 234 page number. Same related. (234) page number 234. Question number is 2. Look at a short bar magnet placed with its axis at 30 degree with an external magnetic field of 800 GB, that is G is nothing but we can say Gauss. So that here first of all you write here angle theta is given 30, that axis is making, and there will be a magnetic field induction is given 800 Gauss. So that 800 into 10 power minus 4 Tesla, because 1 Tesla is equal to 10 power 4 Gauss. No, here we should convert as into Tesla. Experiences as torque is, yeah, there will be a torque is given as 0.016 Newton meter. This is given first one, right? And after that, what is the magnetic moment of the magnet is asking. First question is capital M is asking. Second, what is the work done moving it from most stable to the most unstable? Yes, of course, most stable is nothing but we can say there are two angles. Stable equilibrium is nothing but a 0. Unstable equilibrium is nothing but a, this is you say theta 1 and theta 2, of course. So there will be a theta 1 and theta 2 are given. Then you go with this. Then after third one is asking the bar magnet is replaced by the solenoid across the cross sectional area and 100,000 turns, but the same magnetic moment determine the current carrying or flowing through the solenoid. Before that, so that is a solenoid related, we'll say third one. So before you get first capital M, no, go for the capital M calculation. The given is torque is equal to capital MB sin theta, right? So we know torque is here is 0.016 is equal to capital M is asking B is 800 into 10 power minus 4, and here sin 30 it is. So 0.16 capital M into 800 into 10 power minus 4 sin 30 is 1 by 2. 2 ones 2 400s, better 2 zeros also cancel. So 0.016 by 4 into 10 power minus 2 is equal to capital M, right? So here we can write a 16 by 4 into 1000, shall I, into 10 power minus 2. Of course these two are cancelled, capital M it is 4 ones 4 fours. So maybe 0.4 is the answer, of course, it's exactly it is. So the magnetic moment is over. And the second one is asking find a stable to unstable, no? Question number 2. Theta is 0 for stable and unstable is, therefore work done is equal to MB into sin t, I mean to say cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. So work done MB 0.4, it is B 800 into 10 power minus 4 cos theta 1, right? Cos theta 1 is 0, 1 minus it is also minus 1, then it is becomes like this. So here you write as work done is equal to 4 by 10 into 800 into 10 power minus 4 into 2. So 1 0, here also 1 0 is cancelled, therefore it is 8 8 is 64 into 10 power minus 3, therefore work done is equal to 0.064 joules it is. So like this it is the second bit in this question, right? So we can say like this, right? Okay, now we'll move for the third one. That is about a, is asking what now? See, once look at the question 3. The bar magnet is replaced by the solenoid. Now is replacing bar magnet with the solenoid. Of course, we know solenoid, and there is a area of cross section is given, turns are given. So that now I am moving into the solenoid. So this, you remove this, not required, it is over now. So we know capital M, we know work done also we know. Here, look at, see, is asking determine the current flowing through the solenoid. Third one is I is asking, right? So there will be a the part is, we know magnetic moment, we know 0.4. Let us capital M is equal to NIA, right? Is asking current, no? We have capital M 0.4, 1000 turns is asking I. Area of cross section also given, it is area is given as, here you write 2 into 10 power minus 4 meters square. Capital N is given 1000 turns, and we know capital M, no? Capital N we know, capital M also we know. So 2 into 10 power minus 4 here, better 3 zeros you cancel it, and 0.4 by 2 into 10 power minus 1 it is. Therefore it is maybe 10 power 0 is cancelled, maybe I is equal to 2 amperes. See the answer? Yes, absolutely right it is. So like this, it is the question related to the work done, stable and unstable when the magnet is suspended in the uniform magnetic field. So which is related to the torque as well as the work done as well as the current carrying a solenoid also. Clear? So this is the one example from our material. Of course, we have other example problems also. See, that we'll see next problems also we'll see. Clear? So that in the next class we'll continue the continuation problems. Thank you very much.